Alright, welcome to the Serenum Release 2 update video. This is the first video, so some of you may be confused. Anyway, this is the OS computer system platform thing that I have made and I'm working on. The new things this week that I added are one, to shell colors. So, for example, here if I just, we can run this program here. You see the abort is in red. The way this works is there are special control characters in the shell that change the color. And these are, you have to bear with me here. Basically, it's the color, the character after new line, but this is different from normal ASCII because it's a different text encoding. Point is, when you emit these, so the first one will be the default color, then it's faded, good color, then bad color. And there's also this helper method, color charts to be printed, or notas presuras colora, which is this English one is just a wrapper for the Latin function. Anyway, we can compile this to see what it does, the standard noob program. So I run the compiler, I provide the current directory, a string saying I want you to compile noob.lbc, and then the output file. The files and directories are passed by reference to the program because, no, not by reference. They're passed by file handle directly because otherwise the program couldn't access anything on the system. Now we have to assemble this. And so the other thing that is new is there's tab completion, a basic form of it, which is useful, speeds things up. Here we have to go through this assemble step. Again, the assembler program, CRA, was made about 3.5 times faster since the first release, and will continue to get faster. So we can run that. We see this is the output. Let's go back in here actually and see. So you can see here we say color charts to be printed, and then we give this, we print the string, and in the output here we can see that becomes grayed out because we pushed this 1 here. We reset the color to normal, its real name in, and then we change the color to green again. You can see that we're putting Latin in green by wrapping it in, setting the color to 0, setting the color to 1. Now we can look at the function call for that in the library here. And we'll see here that what it's doing is there's this syscall, right, into the stream, the standard out, if you will, push bytes. And so we're pushing this byte array that we stack allocate a byte buffer. Then we put into that the character new line +1 plus the color. And this mod 4 is just here in case somebody adds a value bigger. We wrap it, but that doesn't have anything to do with the color values necessarily. And anyway, we push this. The reason it has to be in a while loop is because this will return the amount that was successfully written, and so it could be 0, in which case we need to try again. Yeah, there's not much more to say other than, this is the Serenum system. It has, the compiler and assembler. The compiler and assembler do build on Serenum. It's very slow though right now. And there will be more things coming in the following weeks. I think the thing I want to work on that's going to be the most impactful is having easy graphics functions so that you can write, for example, this editor or any other graphical programs, because that's inherently more interesting than you could start doing something like a game or whatnot. Anyway, yep, that was the Serenum 2 release. For people who have bought the Serenum device, they've received an email with their new download link. And if you think this looks interesting, there'll be a link in the description to the project webpage.